Hi guys, I'm Martin and welcome to a new episode of German Mechanics. Today I'm not going to talk about some restoration work on my favorite classic car. No, today I'm going to show you how to make a real good tool smoothie. To make a real nutritious and balanced tool smoothie, you gotta get the best products on the market. I'm obsessed about Wera tool smoothies. Well, I start by adding 2 blue Wera screwdrivers. The blue screwdrivers are absolutely tasty and they go very well along with fresh blueberries. And then, that's really crucial for a Wera tool smoothie, 1 frozen joker wrench. 1 frozen racket wrench goes in. Then we add some banana. The banana makes the smoothie creamy and sweet. And then, this is another secret, we add some Wera stainless bits. Not too many, 3 or 4, it might get bitter. The bits really add flavor to the smoothie. Then we add orange juice. Nearly done, but there's one last ingredient. Take a yellow, red, insulated Wera craft foam screwdriver and just add a little bit. This makes a taste that will really blow your mind away. And then close it and blend it up.